All right, now we have a special treat.
Player
I'm
1.
going to give up this lucky token. Oh, first I'm going to put my name in.
Ooh, we got initials. High score number 4.
That's not very good. Number 4.
Nice job, Jim. That was a great game. Now, he does have a reward. He has a coin.
My initials are very complicated.
And this is really cool because you're going to see a special treat of what happens when you
play this mode
when you
because they're
earn it.
unwilling to give up a token. But for you guys, I'm going to go ahead and give this token up.
So there's a special slot in the front, which we don't have on camera, but that's all right. It's in the middle. And he's,
There it is. Okay.
and there's the magic credit. Now watch what happens.
It's a whole different game.
A whole different game.
Hey,
And it's called Assault the Vault.
stop.
And it's a wizard mode. So instead of having to try to earn the wizard mode, you can pay for the wizard mode. Well, you have to earn for it when you get into the vault. So red targets and orange targets all help you get into the vault. So the idea is to choose those targets to get into the vault to get major money.
It's a time 4-ball multi-ball.
So if you look at the game board, every time he completes those drop targets, it's going to add a space on the game board. All right, so we got for the bank, we got 2. In this case, I think it's for the main entrance. Cellar entrance. Now you're under a time limit, so you have to be really fast at this to get those drop targets knocked down. Okay, we're getting closer here. Left. We got plenty of time, and he's getting really close. Question is, which one is going to get there first? The cellar entrance, the main entrance, or the roof? Okay, he's almost halfway down, so we got to keep going. Oh!
Vault penetration is
Ooh, we made it.
15 minutes until area shutdown. 10 minutes until area shutdown. 5 minutes until area
Okay, we're getting really close. We got one that got in the vault.
Vault penetration is imminent.
Main entrance got in. Oh, and I think we got 2?
How'd they do?
So main entrance, roof entrance, okay. And cellar entrance. So you made it on one of those. 4 assault jackpots. Ooh, vault is complete. So now if somebody gets into the vault, they get $500,000. Ooh.
That is the wizard mode, which the only way to play it is to drop a coin.
Player
I
1.
don't believe you can earn it.
And that's right. You have to earn it to get in that vault, and then you get the coin. Or you can get a coin from the teller sometimes, or a code.
Well, Jim, I'll tell you.